Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we are going to be talking about the Airturn 2 Masturbator. So let's get started. So this is the Airturn 2 Masturbator itself. As you can see, it's a very big masturbator. And you can enjoy a wonderful sucking experience with this luxurious Airturn 2 masturbator. It mimics the feeling of an oral stimulation. It comes in a very nice discreet case, and it's also whisper quiet. It's very comfortable to hold, and it also has an anti-slip pattern here, which is really useful. It has a soft ribbed and napped silicone interior, which gives you a unique experience and an unforgettable orgasm. Now, there are 5 different sucking functions and 6 vibration settings. There are also 2 warming functions that go to 45 Celsius maximum. To turn on the vibrations, press and hold on the top button, and it's on. To change the vibration settings, simply tap. To turn on the sucking feature, press and hold on the middle button. And again, to change, simply tap. And to turn on the temperature, press and hold down and wait for the toy to warm up. To turn it off, press and hold down on each button. And it's off. It's really simple and easy to recharge using the USB charging cable provided. Simply slot it in at the top of the toy like so, and it will charge quickly and easily for you. Now, when using the Airturn 2 Masturbator, we recommend for you to use a water-based lubricant for extra comfort during use. And make sure to clean after every use using a toy cleaner and a dry lint-free cloth. Also included is an O-Touch luxury toy bag to pop your Airturn 2 in. And that is the Airturn 2 Masturbator. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.